Hey everyone, welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. So check out this absolute gem, a vintage Stihl 009 electronic Quickstop. This little powerhouse from the 1980s packs a serious punch with a 36.6 cc engine. Bar and chain are in great shape. It will need a little sharpening before use. How does it run? Let's find out. If you love reliable vintage Stihl chainsaws, guys, this one's for you. Click on the link below for pictures and details. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.